Due to inclement weather,
See, come on.
Magic Happens will be replaced by Mickey and Friends Cavalcade.
Magic
We apologize
Happens.
for any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your understanding. Once again, due to inclement weather, Magic Happens has been canceled. In its place, we will present Mickey and Friends Cavalcade. Thank you.
Su atención, por favor. Debido al clima inclemente, el desfile Magic Happens será reemplazado por Mickey and Friends Cavalcade.
Hey, that is so I'm embarrassed for Disney. Magic Happens is not even. Magic Happens is their summer parade, like the 365-day parade.
Magic Happens is another parade.
Yeah, they just don't.
Parade was coming through here.
No, they just don't update their announcements because they're lazy.
Oh, it's Christmas Fantasy.
Yeah.
They canceled?
because the weather.
But they said the wrong announcement.
No, they just. We get the point.
But they said they should have said Christmas Fantasy.
Yeah.
They said the summer.
They don't want to update their announcements
Wow.
So they're gonna do something else, I guess.
What's wrong with the weather?
because it's too slippery.
Vicky, yeah, because the dancers got dancing and stuff like that. It's too slippery.
There you go. They botched. They did it at the store too. Someone's fired. I'm gonna get in it.
Su atención, por favor. Debido al clima inclemente, el desfile A Christmas Fantasy será reemplazado con Mickey's Holiday Cavalcade. Les pedimos disculpas por este inconveniente y agradecemos su comprensión. Nuevamente, debido al clima inclemente, A Christmas Fantasy se ha cancelado. En su lugar, presentaremos Mickey's Holiday Cavalcade. Gracias.
Heidi, it proves that this place really is human. Because they botched so bad. I'm so embarrassed. Because that's the 365-day parade, not the holiday parade. And the tree, they just went, there was like no announcement.
What do I do? Exactly.
Is that live?
What is this?
Was Mom calling me? I thought.
No, that's just, you just butt dialed the photo album.
Oh.
They would have said call.
Hope they don't cancel Fantasmic. They went back.
His friends along Main Street, USA.
That means we're gonna hear Damas, I hope.
That's Mickey's Rainy Day Cavalcade. Beginning in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Please, Spanish. Oh, come on. They went back to their ladies and gentlemen. I love that. Stock footage, folks. Huh. And that wasn't even Bill. Who was that? Huh. It's no longer a rainy day, though, thankfully. They're coming back. You're gonna watch the cavalcade?
We can't get through. We gotta go that way?
We can try. Or we can go through Tomorrowland, I guess.
Tomorrowland.
Oh, you're talking about my study?
We didn't see any ID cards.
Ven, vamos a la tienda. Conmigo. Para que te dé calor.
Washington and Oregon. I went to go, visit Portland and all, but beautiful city, or beautiful state. I loved it. It was great. It was great. December 7th.
I think it might be. Because my real name's not Timmleberry, It's,
Yeah, I know. But everybody's got a handle, right?
we don't want to go through. We've never watched Enchantment up close and personal before. You can watch it at the tree, but it's better here at the castle. It's about the castle. It's the castle show. Remember, Small World does it, but Small World don't roll it. Let's go right by Coda. 1 minute. The voice might go off now because by the time he's done, it's time. It's a long announcement. There you go. Here you go. See, Heidi? Look behind you, it's all dark.
Look at the sky! Do you think it could snow? You never know. I wish it would snow.
I don't mind snow. The whole city will show now. Better than Anaheim, I'll tell you when it's raining.
And it will come true.
I am. I think that. When will it happen?
We'll see. It won't be long now. wishes freedom can come true. And if you keep on believing, you just never know what will happen next.
There he goes, going to the next thing.
Oh, Mama.
Hey, Dad, think we should go to the other side and watch? Or can we not make it in time? Huh? Remember we rode that boat today? Yeah.
Give it to him, Captain! Feed him to the brisket!
You're mine, Hook! Say your prayers, Hook!
Let him have it! Blast him!
Sorry, Peter.
Blithering blockhead! And cursing Peter Pan!
I say, Captain, do you hear something? No! Mr. Crocodile, do you like codfish?
We're good, thank you.
Yep.
Dad, Heidi would have broken her butt if I wasn't there. And Ricky was
Thanks, Tim.
in Toontown at that point because he thought everything was okay. And her eyes look dead, Dad. Her eyes look more dead than Abe Lincoln's right now, and he's 6 foot
I
under.
remember when I passed out too.
When'd you pass out? What's that supposed to mean?
I was getting home from work and I was sitting in the back of Jim's car. He opened the door, I coughed.
But this
It
isn't
was
a
cold.
dog.
When I did that, I passed out. I just rolled around. And I woke up like a second later. I went to hit the gun. I woke up.
I wonder if it's really 50 cents. Huh. Are you gonna watch the Mark Twain? It's right there. Mark Twain.
Oh, here it comes.
See, they just turned the fire on. know. Just sit here. Well, we're gonna have to go over there by 9:30. I think they're done with Mom. They're done talking. This is the finale, Dad. Good over here. It's like New Year's. Still feeling okay? To throw up or to pee? Because I'm paranoid. I'm the most paranoid person you'll ever meet. Hey Dad, we might hear the announcement. It might be too busy over there, Dad. Yeah, everyone else is going over there, man. You might want to save the seat. Let me see if I can hear the announcement. Okay, I'll be right back.
Surrounding the rivers of America will be dimmed, so you may fully experience our nighttime spectaculars. For your own safety and for the safety of those around you, we ask that you please stand during the performance and that you remain in the same area until the lights return to normal. Thank you.
Buenas noches, amigos. En tan solo unos minutos, las luces alrededor de Rivers of America se atenuarán para que puedan disfrutar plenamente de nuestro gran espectáculo nocturno. Por su seguridad y la seguridad de quienes los rodean, les pedimos que se pongan de pie para la presentación y que permanezcan en su lugar hasta que las luces sean restauradas. Gracias.
Snippet of Believe and All That Magic coming up next. My sister just fainted and she's okay, guys. Thanks. Wow, they're early, man. Well, let's go like... We don't need a good seat. Look at that, Heidi. You should read by it. Seat's right there, too. You want to go over here?
And I was sitting there and I was like, that's all right.
See, that's where Star Wars Land is. It's like right under it. Are these hurting her ears? Is it making you tingle? We should have gone that way.
They're not letting you, see? I told you they want. Well, I'm not going that way in that crowd.
Well, we want to get to the castle, right?
No. They're not letting you get to the castle.
Yeah, we have to detour. Think they are over there? Do you want to watch at the rivers? What, Dad?
The castle after me.
It's right behind this building. Does your head hurt, Heidi, or a migraine?
My head doesn't hurt.
They want us over there with 30 minutes.
9?
Yeah, they want 30 minutes early. They get us head over there now. Let's do it.
That's so the rivers of America?
Yeah.
By the Columbia, Heidi, where they dock it. Remember that? You want to cut through here?
Yeah, come on here.
Stay together, BFT. There's a step here that's bigger than the Space Needle. There's the Columbia. Dad, look at Pirates, no wait. So tomorrow at 9, let's ride it. Well, let's wait for Rick and Heidi, Dad. Look, is that the Mark Twain right there? Or all the way back there. In the shadows.
Oh, yeah.
because the Columbia's on the other side.
Where's it only park at? Right here, right?
Maybe? Huh. I think, yeah, like right there.
Right up here.
Are they open?
Not now, but
Okay, find the cast members.
They're right there.
They're the vendors, not the cast members.
Will the janitors know?
it's gonna be just this downway up here.
Okay. Thank you.
So this one? Just go down there?
Cherish the holidays forever and always believe.
You can see the boats back there. Where'd you say to go? Still feeling okay, Heidi?
Where's the harbor galley at?
It's probably them. The side view. I mean, we get to see them dock and stuff. But... This might be, that's the Columbia right there, Dad. See the sign?